Hello friends, welcome to Crafty Partytime. Today, we will make a beautiful decorative lamp from simple materials. First, prepare a large balloon and white tissue. Blow the balloon until it is big enough. Then apply liquid glue all over its surface. Stick the tissue slowly, while making sure there is a little gap so that the light can penetrate beautifully. After all the parts are nearly covered, let it dry for a few hours. After it is completely dry, burst the balloon and remove it from the hardened tissue ball. Now, we just have to install a small LED light inside. The result? A unique and aesthetic decorative lamp ready to beautify your room. Easy, cheap, and the results are really cool, right? If you like DIY like this, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss other creative ideas. Also write in the comments column, what crafts do you want to see in the next video?